Flight Fiascos, the Stressful Reality of Air Travel, by Joel Tennuchi of Tennuchi's Travels by Travel Counsellors, your holiday expert and creator of holiday dreams. Let's face it, travel isn't always glamorous. We dream of exotic destinations and exciting adventures. But then reality hits. Long security lines, delayed flights, and lost luggage can turn our travel dreams into stressful nightmares. We've all been there, anxiously watching the departure board, hoping our flight isn't the next to flash delayed, or worse, cancelled. The frustration builds as we imagine our precious vacation time slipping away. These travel hiccups don't just impact our itineraries, they take an emotional toll. Anxiety spikes, patience wears thin, and suddenly that relaxing getaway feels anything but. But don't despair. There are ways to navigate the potential pitfalls of air travel and swap stress for serenity. With a bit of preparation and a positive mindset, you can turn those travel woes into minor bumps on the road to your dream destination. From packing smart to staying informed about flight statuses, every little step helps. So, next time you find yourself in a crowded terminal, remember, a little patience and planning can go a long way in ensuring a smoother journey. Planning your escape. The antidote to travel anxiety. One of the most powerful weapons in your arsenal against travel stress? Planning. And no, I'm not talking about meticulously crafting every moment of your trip, unless that's your thing. Start with the essentials. Booking flights and accommodations well in advance. This not only secures your spot, but often saves you money. Then, think about your must-dos and create a loose itinerary. Remember, this isn't about creating a rigid schedule. It's about having a roadmap that provides structure while allowing for spontaneity. Knowing you have a plan, even a flexible one, can significantly reduce anxiety and give you a sense of control over your journey. Tech to the rescue, your digital toolkit for smooth sailing. In today's digital age, we have a wealth of travel resources at our fingertips. Embrace the power of technology. Download airline and airport apps to receive real-time updates on flight statuses, gate changes, and even baggage carousels. Don't underestimate the power of online check-in. Bypass those long airport lines and head straight to security. Speaking of security, familiarise yourself with TSA guidelines beforehand and pack strategically to make the process a breeze. And for those unexpected downtimes, load your phone with ebooks, podcasts, or travel games. Technology can be your best friend when it comes to staying entertained, informed, and one step ahead of potential travel hiccups. Stay in the know. Weather updates and flight notifications, your travel allies. Let's face it, Mother Nature doesn't always cooperate with our travel plans. Sudden storms, blizzards, or even extreme heat can wreak havoc on flight schedules, but you don't have to be caught off guard. Stay informed about weather conditions at both your departure and arrival destinations. Download a reliable weather app and set up notifications for potential disruptions. Similarly, activate flight notifications from your airline. This way, you'll be instantly alerted to any changes, delays, or cancellations. Being in the know allows you to adapt quickly, explore alternative options, and avoid unnecessary stress at the airport. No one likes to think about things going wrong, especially on vacation. But sometimes the unexpected happens. That's where travel insurance comes in, your safety net for those just-in-case moments. From medical emergencies to lost luggage or trip cancellations, travel insurance provides financial protection and peace of mind. It's an investment worth considering, especially if you're travelling internationally or during hurricane season. Don't wait until it's too late. Research different policies, compare coverage options, and choose one that aligns with your needs and budget. Remember, having that safety net can make all the difference in turning a travel mishap into a manageable inconvenience. Section 6. Packing hacks. Minimise luggage. Maximise peace of mind. Let's be honest, who enjoys lugging around heavy suitcases? It's exhausting and can really put a damper on your travel experience. Packing light is not just about avoiding baggage fees. It's about travelling smarter and reducing stress. A lighter load means more freedom and flexibility. Start by creating a packing list and sticking to it. This helps ensure you bring only what you truly need. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. This way, you can pack fewer items without sacrificing style. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space and prevent wrinkles. This technique maximises your suitcase's capacity. And don't forget the power of packing cubes. These are game changers for keeping everything organised. These handy organisers keep your suitcase tidy and make finding what you need a breeze. No more rummaging through a messy bag. Remember, the lighter you pack, the easier it is to navigate airports and public transportation, leaving you free to enjoy your travels without the burden of heavy luggage. Travel light, travel happy. Section 7. Embrace the unexpected. Flexibility is key to travel zen. Here's a secret. No matter how meticulously you plan, there will always be unexpected hiccups along the way. The key to stress-free travel? Flexibility. Embrace the unexpected detours and delays as opportunities for adventure. Instead of getting flustered by a missed connection, use the time to explore the airport, indulge in a local delicacy, or strike up a conversation with a fellow traveller. Remember, travel is about embracing the journey, not just the destination. By releasing the need for everything to go exactly as planned, you open yourself up to serendipitous moments and a more relaxed travel experience. Section 8. Self-care on the go. Prioritising your well-being while travelling. Travelling can take a toll on our physical and mental well-being, often leaving us feeling exhausted and overwhelmed. Jet lag, unfamiliar surroundings, and disrupted routines can leave us feeling drained and disoriented. That's why it's crucial to prioritise self-care while on the go, ensuring you maintain your health and energy levels. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, eat nourishing meals that fuel your body, and prioritise sleep whenever possible, even if it means taking short naps during the day. Incorporate movement into your day, whether it's a morning walk, a quick workout, or stretching during long flights. And don't underestimate the power of mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Take a few moments each day to breathe deeply, meditate, or simply appreciate your surroundings to stay grounded. By listening to your body's needs and prioritising self-care, you'll be better equipped to handle the challenges of travel and fully enjoy your adventures, making the most of every moment. Section 9. The ultimate reward: stress-free travel. Unforgettable memories. Mastering the art of stress-free travel is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It's about shifting our mindset from fear and frustration to adaptability and acceptance. By embracing the tips and tricks we've explored, you can transform potential travel nightmares into opportunities for growth, connection, and unforgettable memories. So pack your bags lightly, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience the world with a renewed sense of calm and confidence. Happy travels!